Hey, Nosy Joe here. I just wanted to give a little tip on how to deal with these crappy designed Beta Cross Trainer number plates. Of course, I took my headlight off so I wouldn't damage the headlight when I was racing and stuff. And the number plate they give you to go in its place is just very poorly designed. It's like a 1-bolt mount, and it's supposed to plug into these two things here. And my second race, that thing just broke right off. So I got on the internet and tried to figure out what might be a good number plate that would fit, and I found this. I guess it's mid-90s, it's used, but this CR250 number plate. And what I really liked about it is it straps to the forks down here. And it just so happens, I didn't know this when I ordered it, but it's like the exact right width for the Beta. So you can strap it to your forks. It's also got a couple other places to tie it back to up on top. I've removed my speedometer, but I'm not so sure that I would have had to. I think it might actually fit in there. So all that said, forget about the stupid number plate that they give you with the bike. Buy a mid-90s Honda CRF250. This is a Cycra one, and actually says made in the USA on the back, so it's probably the only made in the USA part on the whole damn bike. And it fits perfect. I'm really happy with it. And my daughter put my number on there for me, so I'm ready to race. Hope that helps you guys. Later.